Alright then, hello guys. Today we're doing another PicoCTF challenge and we're going to be doing Forensic Git 1. So it says, can you find the flag in this disk image? And they give us the download disk image and a hint. It says, how can you check out the files of a previous commit? So let's see. We could probably like just Google this and it's probably going to give us like something to use. Check out Git checkout and the commit hash, and then I guess it prints out the file that you want it to use. So that's basically what we have to do. I'm assuming we're going to be using the same steps that we did last time. Use sleuthkit to, I guess, wait, first let's download the partition. So wget forensic git 1, get the image link, wget, it's unzipping it, but it's calling it what again? Disk image jz, which we already have, so we'll just remove this one and then just gzip -d disk image.jz. What we recently downloaded, it's unzipping, and then after that we're gonna have to use sleuthkit. But since I don't, I guess, download sleuthkit and I just hop in remote, I guess, shell, I could just go and just look up the zsh sleuthkit, yeah, the shell that I already have made for this. So we're just gonna hop in inside there and run the certain commands. Building our environment. So from here on out, all you just really do is just type mmls, which is going to give us the layout of the specific image. And then we see the layout as we see before. The one that we're going to target is going to be the last one. And like we did previously, we're going to first, I guess, make a directory for that specific I guess challenge. So we call it git 1 or git 1 ls. There's git 1, and then from right here, what we could do is basically recover any of the files. tsk recover. We could run tsk recover and then specify the output, and then specify, I guess, where we're gonna start. So it's gonna be right here specifically. This is where we found the last time. We go right here, delete the last two numbers. Once we have that, we could probably put the name of the image. So it's gonna be disk image, and then we want to output it to a specific folder or file, which is gonna be git 1. And then from right here we press enter. So all the files that were recovered is gonna appear in git 1. So we go to cd git 1, cd git 1 ls, and then we have these files. So first thing we hit is home, which is what we did last time. ls cd ctf player. From here, code, ls secrets, ls la. We have git, and I guess what it told us was to create or restore without affecting the rest of your current. So you can use git checkout to command to revert to specific files that are tied to an older state. The method depends what you want it to vary, or okay. Replace the current version. Okay, checkout. So we want to have, I guess, some kind of logs that tells us something. So we can do git log, and we have two commits. So we see this one right here, which is basically the master one, which I guess status. I think we're in the main one. On the branch master, which is this one right here, which is the remove flag, but we want to go right here. So we could just run git checkout and then put that specific hash. You can look around. Okay, so now we're right here, and then we see the flag. So just like cat flag .txt, and we get the flag PicoCTF G17, remember. So copy that, and then after that paste inside here, and that should solve us this challenge, and it did. So yeah, that's about it for this challenge. Pretty easy. Just go within I guess exactly copy the exact same commands, but the extra step would just do the git checkout feature, which you just need the hash, which you could get from typing git log. So yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys learned something new today. I know I did, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.